Leicester Lion Cubs. Leicester Lion Cubs are a speedway team that was formed in November 2018 to partake and race in the National League at the Beaumont Park Sports Complex in Leicester. This team is the second and junior Leicester Speedway team racing at this venue. They replaced the Coventry Bees, who rode at Leicester in 2018 after their Brandon Stadium was closed, and continued racing to keep the Coventry Bees name alive and kicking. 2019 season. The Leicester Lion Cubs' first two signings for the 2019 Speedway National League season were the Thompson twins Dan and Joe as their reserves. Ellis Perks was confirmed as the third signing for the Lion Cubs. He would start the season at number 1 and also double up with the first-team Leicester Lions. On 18 December 2018, the Lion Cubs announced their next two signings, which were Daniel Hume and Kelsey Dugard. The final two signings for the Lion Cubs were confirmed as Luke Ruddick and Jamie Halder. On 3 January 2019, Leicester confirmed that the new National League team would be managed by club co-promoter Dave Darcy, and he would be assisted by David Howard. Daniel Hume was named as team captain on 31 January. On 11 April 2019, it was announced that following injuries suffered in a crash during the Leicester Press and Practice Day on 15 March, that Kelsey Dugard would not be riding in 2019, and that the Lion Cubs had signed Ryan MacDonald to complete their line-up for the start of the National League season. On 28 October 2019, in their first ever league season, the Leicester Lion Cubs won the 2019 National Development League title after home and away victories in the playoff final against Kent Kings, and they also completed an opening league season double by winning the National Development League Team KO Cup with a victory in the final over the Bellevue Colts. == References ==